Hi guys. It's actually Sunday afternoon as I'm early evening as I'm recording this. Wanted to kind of give you some guidance regarding poetry for this week. Um, Last week we spent time looking at uh, how poems are structured with the various um, poetic elements. We looked at syllable counts. We also looked at rhyme and how those affect rhythm. And we talked about meaning, looking at how analogies and the figurative language bring out different meanings within the poem. And of course, as you read the poem, what does it mean to you? So that was the ground rules from where we're going next. Okay, you need to have that understanding of the poetic elements. You need to have an understanding of rhythm, the syllable count, and rhyme. Okay, that's our basis for where we're headed to, because our poetry project really is. If you notice, you only wrote 6 to 10 poems, kind of just getting your feet wet to get you thinking. In the end, this project, you'll be writing one poem. And really, you're writing one song, okay? And it's going to be a copycat song in the style of one of your favorite songs, okay? And hence, that was what you were supposed to do over this weekend, is to come up with your favorite song, or rather, a song you really liked, okay? Don't worry about if it's not your favorite or whatnot. If you like the song, it'll work. Okay. And of course, if it is appropriate for school, it'll work. It's just to give you a basis, something that you know, and hopefully, if it's a song you like and you already understand it, it'll make it easier. And I want more buy-in from you onto this project. Okay. Because as we've talked about, poetry isn't for everybody, and poetry can be really hard, and yet I want you to think about how easy it is for us to memorize music. You know, we listen to a song we like, and we want to play it over and over and over, and we memorize the lyrics, and before we know it, we're singing along. We didn't even try to learn them. And that's the power of poetry. It's the power of music. And I hope you enjoy music, and I also hope it helps you to enjoy poetry a little bit too, because songwriting, those lyrics, remember, those lyrics are poems. Those are poems set to tunes, and that is powerful. And I hope you kind of get into it. And that's part of what we're going to be doing, right? So your homework was to have found a poem, to find the lyrics, and then today, for Monday, you need to take that song that you found, okay, and you're going to analyze it for meaning. What is this song about? What does it mean? You know, I'm not going to ask you to write a whole paper about it like I had to for my 11th grade teacher, but what does this song mean? Do you understand what's going on in it? Two, I want you to break down, and that's why I recommend you print out, if at all possible, the lyrics, and so that you could look at the syllable count and look at the rhyme. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay, so let me go to. I think I've told you that I recommend azlyrics.com. Okay, this is a really great website, and you can see some recent stuff that's going on. People are searching for. I love anytime a new song is in my head. I actually like to come here to actually see what the words are, and they have songs that have just come out. You know, so it's very full. And so I was thinking, song I was thinking about that I wanted to do was, I think it's called Be Kind. Be Kind. I'm going to search for that. Let's see. Be Kind. It's not the new one that just came out. Okay, maybe I'm looking for something different. It's Be Nice. Be Nice. There it is. Be Nice by the Black Eyed Peas. I really like this song. One reason I kind of fell in love with it was it's from the TV show Songland, and which is on now, by the way. It's currently in its second season. If you haven't checked it out, it's on Tuesday nights It is late. It doesn't come on till 10, but definitely check it out. Maybe catch reruns and stuff. It's on, like, I want to say it's ABC. It's either ABC or NBC. Okay, and at 10, if you're interested. But anyways, this song is just really, I love just the feeling of it. In fact, let's see if I can play it right now. Oh, nope, it won't let me play it. I'd have to access that from Amazon Music. So I want to go right here to the print icon, okay? So I'm going to click print, and it's already set up. And I want it I actually don't want it two-sided because I want to be able to just see the whole thing. So I'm going to go ahead and print that, okay? Now, I've already kind of looked at this song, so I know that it doesn't have any bad words, okay? Before you print your song, you should read through it and make sure that it doesn't have any bad words, okay? And when I say bad words, remember we talked about, you know, G and PG words are going to be okay for this project because you're fifth graders, but, you know, there's plenty of song lyrics that are not appropriate, okay? So now I've got these song lyrics, right? And I'm actually, you know what I'm going to do? One thing that's great on a Mac is that you can save everything as a PDF. And so I'll be able to pull it up later. So I save that to my desktop right now, okay? So that way I can look at it. Now, for the sake of this video, we're just going to look at that one song, okay? You might have to search through a few songs until you find something that you like. Remember, don't think too hard on it, okay? You're actually going to do this 3 times this week. This is going to be part of your work to do today for Monday, okay? You're going to find your song, print it, or at least get to a place you need to be able to write on it somehow, digitally or in person. I would say you'd probably prefer paper. But you're going to do it again on Wednesday, again on Thursday, and I'm asking you to do it 2 more times. So in the end, you're going to have five songs to choose from, okay? And you might say, what do you mean to choose from? Okay, just giving you a heads up where we're going next week. The idea is we're going to take one of these songs, okay? Whichever one kind of really resonates with you the most, which one you feel you like the rhythm of it, you like the rhyme, and you're going to write a copycat song, okay? You're going to mimic the structure, keep the same structure, but use your words and write a song about whatever you want to write a song about. You can use similar topic if you'd like, or make it something totally different and just follow the same pattern. Okay, so next week we're going to talk about that. I'm going to show you a copycat poem that I wrote, which is the same idea, it's just not song lyrics. Okay, I took a Dr. Seuss poem called The Zacks, and I wrote it's a poem that I bound into a book called The Grusts, and I'm going to show that to you next Monday, okay? But for this week, you're just getting into analyzing. You're going to do it, by the end of the week, you're going to do it 5 times. Again, once today, or once Monday, once Wednesday, once Thursday, and then 2 more times by next. So you could even do once for homework, or do 1 per day if you would like to spread it out that way. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 1 per day. Again, the idea is to give you some choices, okay? So the next step that I'm going to want to do here is, and you know what, for sake of, is I'm going to want to actually look at the syllable counts, and I'm going to start making my numbers on the left-hand side for my syllables. I'm going to start making my numbers on the right-hand side for my rhyme, okay? So I'm going to do that and take a picture of it and post that picture so you can kind of see what I've done. I'm not going to do it on this video for sake of that, but hopefully this is giving you enough to go on. I may or may not be on the session on Monday with Mrs. Jones, but if you have any questions, make sure to email me or ask me on this thread. All right. I hope you have fun with this. Enjoy.